Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel where I help you find the perfect laptop for your needs. Today I'll be looking at Asus Zenbook S13 OLED laptop, the world's slimmest OLED ultra-portable laptop with a 3.5mm thinnest point. We will look every aspect of this machine in terms of design, display, performance, and much more to see what sets it apart from other laptops on the market. So keep watching this video till end. Before starting our video, link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop right now. Let's start our video. Let's start with the display. The Zenbook S13 OLED boasts a 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels and a 16:10 aspect ratio. The screen has a 0.2 milliseconds response time and a peak brightness of 550 nits, making it incredibly fast and bright. But what really sets this display apart is its color gamut. It covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color space, which means you'll see incredibly accurate and vivid colors on the screen. Whether you're working on a design project or streaming your favorite movie, the Zenbook S13 OLED's display won't disappoint. Design-wise, the Zenbook S13 OLED is a thing of beauty. It's incredibly slim and lightweight, measuring just 13.9mm thick and weighing only 1.1 kilograms. The laptop has a sleek aluminum unibody design with a spun metal finish that looks and feels premium. The hinge is also very sturdy and allows you to open the laptop with one hand. Under the hood, the Zenbook S13 OLED is powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with Iris-Xe graphics, making it a powerful machine that can handle a variety of tasks. The laptop also comes with 32GB of LPDDR5 5200MHz memory and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 x4 SSD with a 6500MB per second read speed, ensuring that you'll have plenty of storage and fast performance. Whether you're editing videos, working on a graphic design project, or gaming, the Zenbook S13 OLED's performance won't let you down. The Iris-Xe graphics are powerful enough to handle most games at decent settings, and the SSD ensures fast load times and snappy performance. Moving on to the keyboard and touchpad, the Zenbook S13 OLED features a full-sized keyboard with backlit keys and a precision touchpad. The keys have a good amount of travel and tactile feedback, making it easy to type for extended periods of time. The touchpad is also very responsive and accurate, with support for multi-touch gestures. Overall, the keyboard and touchpad are both very comfortable to use. The Zenbook S13 OLED comes with a decent selection of ports, including two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 port, and a microSD card reader. Unfortunately, there's no HDMI port, so you'll need an adapter if you want to connect to an external display. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The Zenbook S13 OLED has a 67Wh battery that can last up to 12 hours on a single charge, making it a great choice for those who need to work on the go. Plus, the laptop comes with fast charging technology that can recharge the battery up to 60% in just 49 minutes. So, what's the price for all these amazing features? The Zenbook S13 OLED doesn't come cheap, with a starting price of around $1,600 to $2,000. However, if you're in the market for a high-end ultra-portable laptop with a stunning OLED display and powerful performance, the Zenbook S13 OLED is definitely worth considering. Overall, the Asus Zenbook S13 OLED is a fantastic laptop that offers a winning combination of performance, portability, and style. Its stunning OLED display and powerful hardware make it a great choice for creatives and professionals who demand the best. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video and goodbye.